Close your eyes, be comfortably seated, focus on your breath. As you focus on your breath, you can take 3 deep breaths. As I count 3, you can take 3 deep breaths. 1, 2, 3. As you take 3 deep breaths, you would notice rhythmic motion of your breath. Breath going in, coming out, lungs expanding, contracting. You can experience a heightened sensation around your body. You can experience a heightened sensation on your hands when you bring your focus on your hand. You would notice heightened sensation around your feet. You would notice sooner or later your shoulders are becoming heavy. You would notice sooner or later your elbows are becoming heavy. You would notice your hands are becoming heavy. You would notice sooner or later dryness in your throat. When you feel dryness in your throat, you can gulp and make it wet. As I count from 5 to 1 in reverse order, you will go deeper in the state of relaxation. 5. Deeper and deeper and deeper and deeper. 4. Deeper and deeper and deeper and deeper. 3. Deeper and deeper and deeper and deeper. 2. Deep, 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 deep. 1. As you go deeper in the state of relaxation, you could imagine that you are standing in a garden and you would notice the garden very beautiful. You would notice positive vibrations falling on your body in the garden. You would notice the Almighty, the powers, the universal power blessing you from the top. The blessings are falling on your body. Each and every atom and molecule of your body is absorbing the Almighty blessings. The energy is flowing through your body and healing each and every part of your body. Your body is hungrily absorbing all the blessings. The blessings falling on your head, on your shoulders, on your face, on your waist, on your legs, being absorbed hungrily by each and every atom and molecule of your body. The blessings are healing you. It is creating a sense of positivity, giving you energy and enthusiasm and motivation. As you bring focus deeper in your body, you would experience and notice blood circulating in your body. You would notice small divine soldiers moving in your blood and killing all the germs, all the harmful bacteria that would be responsible for creating unhealthiness in your body. See those tiny soldiers moving in your blood from your legs upwards. See them moving in your whole body and destroying all the germs, all the bacteria that could be causing any kind of ill health or disease in your body. As they travel through your body, see all the positive energy, positive vibrations being spread in your body. Experience the energy flowing in your body and healing you completely. All the negative emotions are being destroyed by this army. I will wait for 30 seconds, and in this 30 seconds, the divine army would heal you completely. See the sense of relaxation flowing your body as the divine army is destroying all the negativity, all the negative emotions in your body. See the sense of positivity, happiness, motivation, self confidence, self assurance flowing in you. See the sense of relaxation, sense of ease flowing through your body. Anything negative and everything negative is being destroyed by the divine army. Once the divine army has completely destroyed all the negativity, all the germs, all the bacteria and viruses that could be detrimental to your health, they would slowly go back to the divine power. See the divine power smiling at you and blessing you all the time. You feel blessed and you feel one with the divine, with the universe, with the nature. You are happy, at peace, calm, cool, relaxed. You feel and believe you have all the powers in the world to create a future for yourself you always wanted. You can slowly and steadily bring your focus on your breath. As I count from 5 to 1, you will slowly bring your focus on your breath. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I will count from 1 to 5 once again, and you will slowly open your eyes. 1. Integrate. 2. Integrate. 3, 4, 5. You can slowly and steadily open your eyes, feel relaxed, and comfortably open your eyes.